This is the third video of the fundamental Java operator video series, and here in this video we are going to discuss about the logical operators that are available in Java programming language. A program is a series of instructions, as we know, that asks the computer, actually the compiler, to check some situations and to act accordingly. To check such situations, the computer spends a great deal of its time performing comparisons between values. A comparison is a Boolean operation that produces a true or a false result, depending on the values on which the comparison is performed. So let us discuss what type of comparisons are possible. A comparison is performed between two values of the same type. For example, you can compare two numbers, two characters, or the names of two cities. On the other hand, a comparison between two disparate values does not bear any meaning. For example, it is difficult to compare a telephone number and a somebody's age, or a music category and the distance between 2 points. Unlike arithmetic operations where the results are varied, a comparison produces only one of two results. The result can be a logical true or a logical false. When a comparison is true, it has an integral value of 1 or positive, that is a value greater than 0. If the comparison is not true, means it is false, then it is considered false and carries an integral value of 0. So let us discuss about the equality operator, which is a logical operator in fact. To compare two variables for equality, whether they are equal to each other or not, Java uses the equality operator. It is denoted by 2 times equal to symbol, and there is no space between these two equal to symbols. The formula is value 1, then equality operator means 2 times equal to symbol without space and value 2. The equality operation is used to find out whether two variables, out of these two variables, one may be a variable and a constant, or both of them are variables, hold the same value. Whether this value 1 and value 2, these entities hold the same values. From our syntax, the compiler would compare the values of value 1 with that of value 2. If value 1 and value 2 hold the same value, the comparison produces a true result. If they are different, then the comparison renders false. For example, if we have 5 equals to 7, so it will evaluate to false because 5 is not equal to 7. But if we write 5 equals to 5, then it will evaluate to true. So equality operator is used to check whether the operand to the left hand side of the equality operator and the operand to the right hand side of the equality operator, they are equal to each other or not. If they are equal to each other, then it will evaluate to true, and if they are not equal, then it will evaluate to false. We have a flowchart here. We are considering two values, that is value 1 and value 2. Now we are comparing two values whether they are equal to each other or not with the help of this equality operator. Now we have two options. They may evaluate to true, means both the values are equal to each other. Then this particular path is followed, and whatever instructions we enclose within this branch of the program, they will get executed. But if this expression gets false, means value 1 is not equal to value 2, then this particular branch is followed, and instructions we enclose within this branch of the program, they get executed. Now at this point, it is very essential to understand the difference between assignment operator and equality operator. It is important to make a distinction between the assignment operator, which is denoted by single times equal to symbol, and the logical equality operator, means 2 times equal to symbol. Assignment operator and logical equality operator, or simply equality operator. We call it logical equality operator, reason being that its output is always logical, that is true or false. The first is used to give a new value to a variable, that is equal to. For example, we have written number equals to 108. Now number is a variable and 108 is a value. What we are doing is we are assigning 108 to number variable. The operand on the left side of equality, this assignment operator, that is equal to operator, must always be a variable and never a constant. In the previous video lessons we discussed about the variables, and here the main important point is that to the left side of the assignment operator there must be a variable. We cannot write 108 equal to number. Here to the left side of the equal to operator, that is assignment operator, is 108, which is a constant. So we cannot modify the value of the constant. Constant is constant. Constants are those entities whose value we cannot modify. So to the left side of this assignment operator there has to be a variable. So this statement is invalid. The equality operator is never used to assign a value. Now the purpose of assignment operator and equality operator is different. The assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable, whereas equality operator is used to check whether the two operands associated with the equality operator are equal to each other or not. So if we use the equality operator to assign a value, then it would cause an error. The equality operator is used only to compare two values. The operands on both sides of equality operator can be variables, constants, or one can be a variable, while the other is a constant. If you use one operator in place of other, that is in case of while you were expected to use the equality operator and you are using assignment operator, then you would receive an error while you compile the program.